It's that time of the month once again when we are going to talk about the Boruto manga. So hello and welcome to Anvaizi. My name is Soham and thank you so much for joining in. In this video we are going to talk about Boruto manga chapter 61 and what I personally expect to see in this particular chapter. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content along with a bunch of other stuff. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now essentially I'm going to keep my predictions for chapter 61 the very same which I made for chapter 60 because it has not really happened so far, and therefore I'm going to keep this video rather short because I've already sort of discussed all of these different things in details in my prediction video for chapter 60. Those stuff have not happened yet in the story and I really want them to happen, and it sort of needs to happen eventually. It's not just about my thoughts, it rather needs to happen. The story really needs to address all of these different things. The first one is in relation to Sasuke. Sasuke's character has been totally absent after the entire fight with Ishiki Otsutsuki, so we definitely need an update on the situation of Sasuke. I know that he's not really going to get a Rinnegan, a new Rinnegan for that matter, but he needs some sort of a power up. I'm not saying that it needs to be OP or anything, but he definitely needs something to fight the characters because otherwise it's going to be very difficult. He currently is no longer in possession of his Ame-no-Teji Kara, which was a power granted to him by the Rinnegan, but now since the Rinnegan is gone, he cannot really depend upon these powers. So therefore he needs some sort of an additional power up, which is why I initially stated in my prediction video for chapter 60 that he might actually go on to meet none other than Orochimaru to potentially get the Hashinama cell based arm. I mean, that's obviously coming from Konoha, not from Orochimaru, but basically to discuss this entire situation. He might be seeing some new form of an arm, maybe from Amado, maybe from Orochimaru, but basically some sort of a focus or an update in regards to the situation with Sasuke. Now talking of Orochimaru, I definitely feel like the Boruto series needs to bring him back, especially in the manga. In the anime, he has been sort of focused time and time again, that's fine by me, but in the manga, he has not really been. I mean, I'm not saying that he has to be focused or anything, but he should be at least introduced back in the story, especially because of his mastery over organic life form. I mean, we have seen Amado being extremely talented and technically sound, especially in regards to the scientific ninja tools, but it's sort of going to be inconclusive and incomplete if Amado does not eventually meet Orochimaru and his knowledge is not at all utilized in this particular matter, say it for the betterment of Konoha or the new arm of Sasuke or anything for that matter. And talking about Orochimaru, my last point here is him having an interaction with none other than Kashin Koji. Now I don't really need to even explicitly tell you all why something like this is necessary. It's because of the interlinking factor of Jiraiya, but this entire thing basically surrounds Orochimaru and therefore I think that the manga needs to bring him back in the story. Moreover, we also have this new android or cyborg or whatever which is being developed by Amado, who is apparently going to be a huge help for Konoha. So let's see what that entire shenanigan turns out to be. And lastly, the other thing which I predicted for chapter 60 was in relation to Naruto and how I feel like he eventually needs to go on a mission. I'm not saying that he has to go at this point in the story himself, but rather there needs to be some sort of an update addressing the Ten-Tail situation. So let's see how that is eventually addressed here in the story. And lastly, I'd just say that we need a proper training update for Team 7, not just the sheesh based training which we saw in the couple of chapters ago, and just that's about it. Currently I don't feel like anything other than that might happen. I'm not really betting upon the fact that the Konoha invasion is happening in this chapter. I still feel like they are going to need a couple of more chapters for the eventual setup, and maybe the eventual Konoha invasion is going to come around chapter 64-65. At this moment, I don't really think that the timescale is going to come up before chapter 70 because number one, the Konoha invasion needs to happen and it's not going to come up in the next 1 or 2 chapters. It needs a little more setup, and even after it happens, there needs to be a couple of different chapters devoted to it for fights and whatnot, for even the aftermath of that battle. There needs to be some chapters directly dedicated to it. Just the invasion is not going to lead up to the eventual time skip. There needs to be proper build up for all of that. So these are basically my predictions at this moment. I could also say that maybe we will get an updated situation in regards to Boruto and how he is just taking 2 pills right now. I don't really believe there's going to be a lot about him. Maybe we get some more information about the Otsutsuki clan, but I don't think basically we are going to see more about him, especially at this moment in the story. Lastly, I did say that Sage mode might be implemented for a new power-up, but I don't know how that would be implemented right now in the story. I mean, chances for it are seeming low. If that happens eventually, that is going to be really amazing, especially for characters like Naruto. But let's just see how it eventually happens, if at all an advanced Sage mode is introduced or not. So these are my current predictions for Boruto Manga Chapter 61. What do you guys think about all of these things? Please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more. Join the channel membership for some very cool perks and features. Join the Discord server for more discussions. So this is it for today. This is WonderYZ. See you all on the next one.